Bill and Barbara Plumber's prayer garden. You meander down the short, winding crushed granite path, crunching beneath your feet. You gaze ahead to the limestone slab benches you know will make cool, inviting seats. This feels both familiar and new. A place to lose yourself in prayerful contemplation, in the quietness of solitude and thought. And you remember why you came, to enjoy the peace in this moment that you have so long sought. Bathed in the shade of cedar, elms, and live oaks, with a persimmon tree or two, a lone hackberry leans towards the east, arching into the sky away from you. Then there's the soft, mournful cry of a dove. And you realize in that moment that none of this would be possible without Bill and Barbara's love. And God, well pleased, is smiling down on all of this from above.